Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a challah bread. Let's begin. So to start on the recipe, get yourself a small bowl, and into the bowl place the water, the egg, the yeast and the sugar, and give it all a whisk together until combined, and then allow it to sit for 10 minutes. Into your main mixing bowl, you'll want to place the bread flour along with the salt and give it a whisk together just until combined. Now you can add in the butter and also add in the liquid mixture we made earlier on, and then mix it on a low speed for around 5 to 7 minutes or until a clear dough has formed. You'll know once a clear dough is formed there's will be no traces of a single ingredient in the bowl. You can then transfer it from the bowl onto a floured surface and knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Now you can place the dough into a lightly oiled bowl and cover the bowl with cling film and allow it to prove until doubling in size, or roughly around an hour. After about an hour, or once the dough has doubled in size, you can take it from the bowl and transfer it onto your work surface, and then just knock it back. This is the process of removing the gases that have built up during the first proof. So now you can start to divide the dough up, and you'll want to divide it into 3 separate balls which are 165 grams each. Round them off using the palm of your hand on the work surface, making sure that you keep the dough covered at all times. Allow them to sit for 5 minutes. Then you can start rolling out the dough, making sure that you keep the centre a little fatter or thicker than the rest of the shape, and repeat this for all 3 strands. So then you can take your 3 strands and then pinch the end and just start to do a 3-strand plait, which is where you bring the left into the centre followed by the right, and repeat that until you've got your shape done. You can then transfer that onto a lined baking tray, cover it with cling film and allow it to proof, again for around 45 minutes to an hour until it doubles in size. So once the bread has finished its second proof, it will be quite noticeable. You will then want to remove the cling film from on top of the dough, and then start to give the loaf an egg wash. So all the information you need will be down below. There'll be a link to my blog and my social media, so don't forget to go and check them out. So here is what the loaf looks like once it's fully baked and cooled and it's cooling down. So then, as you can tell, it's light and fluffy on the inside, and you've got that perfect crumb, and the outer layer has got that perfect colour. This is what you're looking for. If you are making this loaf, you can dip it in some sesame seeds or poppy seeds before you bake it. Again, this is completely optional and I didn't do it this time, but I remember doing that at college. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with a confectionery video, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the links in the description. There'll be a link to my blog where you can find this recipe and plenty of other recipes, and my social media links. So don't forget to go and follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm most active. I'm trying to be more active on Twitter, but I don't know. But that's all for today. Bye guys.